Welcome to Nuer Online. This is my point of view about the ongoing flood. This is Nuer Zone. Let's look at some of the picture. This is Nuer Zone. Let's go. Okay, there. This. In this picture, our people, our officials in Nuer Zone, they are fighting floods. Which is very amazing news because when the people understand that saving life is very important, and this unity, if this is the unity that our people are doing, I don't think that this flood will affect our people again, because if they know that in the next coming year this flood gonna come back, what they will do is they are going to provide something that flood will not tolerate or will not penetrate when it comes back. So what they are doing right now is amazing job. They are trying to build a bridge using their hands. You can see that they are carrying this soil, and they want to build a bridge there so that the water cannot come coming into the community, and which is amazing job, but they did late, not before it affect the people. And I can say it, congratulations for this amazing job, and if you guys keep this spirit, it will help our people a lot. So this is good news. Look at that. This is the bridge they are trying, or the blockage they are trying to build. You can see that there is are some of them they are carrying sand or soil somewhere, so that they can also put it somewhere there to block the water. This is a good things. This is the town. I think the picture was taken before it affect this place. Let's look at that. So you can see rain and flood are mixed together, which is what affect our people there. It is very sad that we are facing this situation at this time, and the community, what they can do is coming together and think of something that they can do together instead of individually, because if the community come together, they can be able to do something big that one or two people cannot do together. So when people come together and they put their ideas, their opinion together, they can be able to stop it. So I will encourage everyone there in Nuer Zone, also within a different area, to use this point of view of mine that I just put forward. Let's work together to stop this. You can see this heart, they cannot fight this flood. They cannot, because a flood can penetrate it. This is soil, and you can see the grass there. It can penetrate this heart, so this heart cannot fight it. You can see there's cows. Look at the cow there. Our cattle there, they're also suffering. And the worst thing about this flood, it can bring disease, which is which will be very hard for our people, maybe in the future. And it should be stopped before it is too late. Cow cannot be there at this moment, because this water will affect them. Let's move on. So that is my point of view about what we can do as a community. We can come together and fight this flood, like what our brothers are doing right now in Nuer Zone. In different area, Nuer Zone, Wantoa, Jiko, Larawarada, let's try to help our people. Let's fight this flood together, and in the next season it will not come back again. So let's try to be ready and to fight whatever will come in the future. So even though this is a natural disaster, we can still fight. There's many ways. We can build a bridge or blockage like what you guys are doing right there, and also we can do other things. And to Gambella government, what I can ask them is that they should provide materials to our waradas, Nuer Zone, Wantua, Jiko, Warada, and also in different warada in Gambella. Even in Anyuak Zone, they can also provide if this flood is also affecting them. Not only Gambella alone, even in South Sudan also people are suffering there. So this is like it is like a seasonal flood, but we can still fight because this thing will bring too many devastating problem, especially sickness. Because when there's water, our elders, especially our whole mothers, and father, they will have sick on this flood. So we need to fight this, or we can also provide medicine that can help them to fight this flood before the water is going down. So thank you for watching. That is my point of view.